G'day, y'all. This is Mr. Shea Pillay with Shea Pillay Homestead doing an update. Haven't done one in a little bit. The last 2 days we got hammered with about 50 to 60 centimeters of snow, so I just literally finished shoveling out the birds. So literally had to walk through about 4 feet of snow just to get through to them, to get my shovel, so I can knock the bank down to get to them. So pretty interesting. So check this out. So this is all in the, well, not all of it, but that's how much snow we've gotten in the last little bit. Steer's still not done. Lots of snow. Our trailer's buried. Still didn't even finish to my garage. Had to make a path to the chickens. Check this out. Now this was all blown across, right straight across. So it took me about a half an hour just to make it through this pile. It's already blown back. So, hope everybody's having a good day. Here's the chicken coop. We are March 8th. I don't know how the girls are inside, but take a peeky poo. Can't wait for summer, I'll tell you that right now. Getting tired of all this snow. Hey, girls. Hey, Stanley. Oh, we got some girls above my head. Don't you poop on my head. Nope. Now, what do we got up here? Anything? Well, let me put the light on. Nothing up there, so they usually lay, like I've said many times, they lay in this box, which is the box I put back for them. There's Chubbs. Yeah, Chubbs. He was showing off for one of the white ones, not yesterday, a couple days ago when I threw her in there, but he's getting to be huge. I think he's almost bigger than Stanley is. Hey, Stanley, I don't know if you're going to be the big dog anymore. Hey? Alright, let's collect some eggs. I see your bedding's starting to get damp in here. But for as windy as it is outside, it's beautiful in here. Alright, so let's see. Listen. I don't know what's with them with the eggs. They all come in here. They don't want me to grab the eggs. Look at them all. Hey, the Dix. This is Dixie. You can see her saddle feathers are getting pretty... What's your problem? This is Coco. That's my girl. Alright, so I tried to put these in here. Not too sure. They don't seem to... I didn't really like them too much. It was just an idea. Oh, there's Frizzle's egg. Usually she doesn't lay down here. Okay, nope. You're not eating the eggs. Nope. They're pecking at the eggs now. It's a terrible habit. And they're really dirty since it's been getting pretty humid. The poor birds in the tent, I don't know what to do. If I'm gonna have to set up a fan on a timer to suck the humidity out, because the humidity right now it's starting to be too much. Awful dirty, I tell you. What's up? So, bedding. I must say the wood chips are definitely much better than hay anyway. I don't know about better than straw, but definitely better than hay. 2, 4, 6, 8. The over on that side. That's Frizzle's egg, so That must be Splash's egg. Splash is, where are you? Right there. She's a Brahma mix of some sort. I was told originally she was a silky Brahma mix. And then Frizzle, wherever Frizzle is, I can hear Frizzle right there. So she's more of a silky mix. I don't know exactly what they are. I wish I knew exactly what she was, but she lays a tiny little pink egg. And then this one's either Raven or Crow. Let me see. That's Crow. Dixie, your saddle feathers are awful bad shape. Now, Dixie's one of the oldest hens I adopted. She's not one of my originals. These are new hens here. I lost one of these ones. That box fell on her, believe it or not. She got stuck underneath the box. Alright, so we'll collect them. Beautiful brown eggs. So we got 2, we got 4, we got 6, we got 7, we got 8, 9, 10, 11. Some nice big eggs. They're getting bigger. 11, 12, 13. Never fails. I always get 14. But I got a lot more than 14 birds. I just don't know who's not laying every day, but I got a lot of crosses. So this is Phoenix, many different colors. I know it's not my new ones that aren't laying, but they also might not lay all the time too. They might only lay every other day, right? So some snow is coming in the door, but I can't do much about that. Okay, so no eggs left there. No eggs here, so we're gonna go get Frizzle's egg. I'll show you. So what I do with my steerway, it's kind of not the best setup for them, but it just moves. It tucks in under the shelf. So try not to put your hand in manure, which is gross. And I can't even set this down because they're gonna peck at it. So I use these to hold the basket. And now we'll just get Frizzle's egg. Super tiny little egg. Always in the same spot. She's the only one that lays up there, and she's literally the only one that goes up in that corner. So I'm positive it's her. I've also picked every egg up and her be up there, and I just leave her be because she's super cross whenever she's up there. I don't really touch her too much, but she's kind of a... You're supposed to wait till I'm done. That's Pikachu. She's some kind of a lavender mix, I believe, of an Orpington. That's what she looks like anyway to me. Same as this one. I think it's I don't know. It could be just a brown hen mixed with like some kind of a buff, but nice bird. Anyway, I'll put this back. And then they can get down. So we got 14 eggs. Pretty much the same every day. We got a little camera set up, a little blink camera. Doesn't work the greatest because we're far away from the router, and yeah, it's not. I need to get myself a Wi-Fi panel. Hey Stan, you don't bite. You got some frostbite. Yeah, you got frostbite. Guess what though? We got through her. We got through her. Yes, we did. Yeah, yes we did. That's okay. Frostbite ain't gonna kill you. What are you guys doing? Why don't you come down the stairway? The longer I stand out here with the birds, the more I start talking to them. So, like I showed you before, I got this hole for, well, it was for Chong, but I got rid of Chong. Somebody came and adopted him, so I needed his cage. So I'm going to build about 8 cages like this, 7 more. And what my plan is move, Stan. Move, Stan. Move, buddy. Move. Okay, move. Now, he's never attacked me, ever. He gets out of the way as I get out of the way. I give him space and don't usually bug him. Every once in a while, I'll pick him up and show him who's boss and love him a bit. It kind of gets him a little bit friendly. He's not the friendliest, but he has one job and one job only is protect all these hens. And he has, I think there's 19 or 18. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, well, you're doing good. Your friend's going to be coming back out here with you guys. Yeah, she's a lot better in the house now. Yeah. But really, it's beautiful in here. I don't have a thermometer in here, but I bet you it's easily 0 in here. All right, y'all. Hey, Frizz. What you doing? Yeah. You're pretty too. You have feathered feet. Anyway, y'all, I switched back over to some pellets. So I think for a while I had switched over to a mash, and honestly, it is very dusty. I don't know if that has anything to do with them coughing and sneezing and stuff, but it is very, very dusty. That's why the light shuts off. Sorry, I was getting sidetracked because the other day I come in here and the light was off, and she just stepped on the switch. I got the switch in a bad spot. It's not her fault, it's my fault. There. Alright. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to give you a little quick update. The chicks out in the garage are doing pretty good. Only issue I have out there right now is the humidity in the tent is getting to be too much. The windows are like getting all moisture on them, and I lost Lavender Orpington the other day because she literally froze to the sidewall of the tent, which honestly I didn't see her. I didn't see her. If I would have saw her, I would have went outside and helped her, but I didn't check. The camera, you know, and I work full time, and this is a hobby, but I mean, I got lots of chickens and a lot more. I got another almost 50 hatching right now. We're on day, I believe, 3 or 4. I'm going to do a video following that. I just haven't started doing a video until I candle them. So I'm going to be candling them on only day 7. I'm going to try to wait this time. I told myself I would wait instead of opening it every day to check on them. I don't need to do that this time because I know what to expect. You don't see too much on the early stage anyway. It's just kind of the embryo developing, and you know, you see the veins. So still pretty cool. But if you guys want, just head to my channel. Obviously, you're there now. Just take a peek at some of my older videos. I also have some from the summertime back in June, whenever we got our meat birds. So we got 20 meat birds, and I lost a couple of them. They just died randomly. They were the smaller ones, just like my hens. So it was definitely a cool experience. Something that I would like to do again. It's just not this summer. I think I'm going to breed dual purpose for the time being, and you know, try eating some maybe lavenders or some buffs, or you know, even Moran. I heard Morans were pretty good too. So you know, like even just Pikachu, you know, that's a big bird, and she probably weighs a good 5 to 7 pounds. You know, and like there's nothing wrong with that. Some of my meat birds were 9 to 10 pounds, but you know, the biggest ones were the males. I had 9 and 10 pounds. 10.3 was the biggest one I had. But the majority of the females were about 7 pounds, 8 pounds. For my first time, I did pretty good, I think. This year I've had close to probably 60 chickens. At least 60 chickens. And now with the ones hatching, I'm going to have easily over 100. So after this one, we're going to be hatching some Americana and some Easter eggers. I might do some olive eggers also, just to have a good assortment. So we're going to have some chickens for sale in the spring. So if anybody's interested in some hens or some roosters, you know, come take a look at what we got. So Chez Poulet Homestead. Anybody that's local to us, we're in Dalhousie, New Brunswick. All right, all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time, as always. Peace out, Kenny Mildred. Hope you're all doing good. I haven't done a shout out in a long time. Appreciate everybody watching videos. Shout out to Melissa. Thank you for watching. All my new subscribers. All my teammates from work. Hey, Chubbs. And he has a feathered feet. Look at his feet. Pretty cool. Barren Rock with a feathered feet. I don't know. And he has extra toes. He's supposed to be the other silky mix, which I've never seen a silky mixed Barren Rock. So it's kind of cool. So I got Chubbs, I got Splash, and I got Frizzle. And they're all supposed to be silky mixes, but never looked at Splash's feet, to be honest with you, other than the fact that she has feathers on her feet. But it's the trait of the Brahma, or I don't even know, to be honest with you. It could be Bantam, it could be anything, I don't know. But she looks like a Brahma to me. Like a buff Brahma mixed with like some kind of a lace. So most of these are going to be disappearing in the spring. I have lots of people that are interested in starting up a few coops, so I'm going to be getting rid of the majority of these ones, as much as I absolutely love having them, and they are my eggs. But I'm going to have a lot more nicer hens and a lot more variety, I guess you want to say, you know, of color of eggs and stuff. So this was a start. You know, I love having the bovines. These are the commercial browns. I have the commercial whites, which are the leghorns. These ones, you know, they lay, honestly, giant eggs. And if they weren't such a, like, I don't know, I want to say skittish, they're very, yeah, your butthole is dirty. So this is Rosie, but I gotta clean your butt or what? I know I put that in a bad spot, didn't I? Hey, put that in a bad spot, me. There. Take that off. Don't need to be there anyway. It's for put it in my pocket. It's for the camera. So I got the birds on a timer. I got them on I believe it's like, I don't know, they sleep 8 hours anyway. It shuts off at 10 and 9 or 10, and then comes on at like 5 something in the morning whenever I go to work. As you can tell, it's pretty nice and cozy in here, and watch when I open the door. It's crazy. You guys can't tell, but it is. Good night, girl. So we got 14 eggs here, and I got one downstairs. So the one downstairs is doing pretty good now. I'm going to end the video. You probably can't hear me. It's pretty windy out here. Okay, peace out. Thanks for watching. Mr. Shea Play out.